In the last few decades, climate change has been accelerating. Because of the rising temperatures, many animals in the northern hemisphere are slowly moving from their lands of origin towards higher and cooler latitudes to survive. Plants cannot do that. Yet many plants rely on fruit-eating animals to disperse their seed and start populations in places far from their source. Many animals only disseminate seeds within 1 kilometer or little more, which is not enough to escape from the rapid rising temperatures. Luckily, plenty of evidence indicates that migratory birds can disperse seeds over much longer distances. For example, a study found that 1.2% of birds captured on migration by Eleanor's falcons near the Canary Islands carried seeds in their guts from the mainland from over 170 kilometers away. It seems a low percentage, but it is compensated by billions of birds migrating every year. However, to be dispersed to cooler latitudes, the fruiting period of the plant species must overlap with the bird migration to the north, and it is unknown how common these interactions are in ecological communities. Now, an international study led by researchers from the University of Cadiz in Spain have assessed for the first time the potential of this process in Mediterranean and temperate woodlands from across Europe. They have done this by combining data on seed dispersal interactions between plant and bird species with data on fruiting periods and bird migration patterns. The results show that the majority of studied species are dispersed by birds migrating to the south, and only about 35% of them are dispersed by birds migrating to the north. These last ones with potential to reach cooler latitudes are part of a subset of phylogenetically related lineages whose fruiting periods overlap with the spring migration. Only a few migrant bird species provide this specific dispersal service to the north, but in general, they are common and abundant in both Mediterranean and temperate woodlands. The next step in the research will come with detailed movement data from birds migrating that could be achieved by next-generation GPS tags. With those results, research could delve deeper into the potential of seed dispersal to develop useful conservation practices and build a more resilient future against climate change.